Hey friends, Raina, the witch of What the Funk today. I'm sick, so hence the name change temporarily. I'll get back to my mischief one of these days, but not today. Not today, Satan. I'm doing a springtime bloom today. My pillow paint is white. That is by ColorPlace, and then that light purple on top I will show you. This is not the correct color, but this is the product. It's Liquitex acrylic ink. I used Dioxazine Purple and then a little bit of tube Dioxazine Purple to get that color. That is still pillow paint, so that's why I'm putting so much on there. Next we have up from Australia, Boom Gel. This stuff's awesome. I have that paint stuck to the bottom of it. This particular color is Parrot Fish Green. It is not sparkly, it's just a really great kind of teal, phthalo green but blue shade color. Followed by Pearlescent Watermelon, also Boom Gel. Boom Gel makes just incredible cells, some of the coolest cells ever. That is followed by a new color that's coming out on the This Little Piggy pigment line. This is called Lemon Sorbet. Absolutely stunner of a color, like lemon ice and gold. Had a baby. And it became a paint. So after that, I am using a Dioxazine Purple Cell Activator. It is this mixed with Australian Floetrol. Mix it at a 4:1 ratio, 4 parts Floetrol to 1 part Liquitex. Then you gotta blow it out. Now the Boom Gel dries real fast, so I tend to allow my blooms to gather back in the center after I've blown them out. But with Boom Gel, you don't really have as much of an opportunity to do that. And also, since it makes such crazy, awesome cells off the get-go, you can just, let it come back just a little and then spin it or tilt it or however you throw it against a wall, boil it in a pot of pasta. Don't do that. However you deal with it, just go a little faster when you're using Boom Gel. Otherwise, you might just realize it congealed on you. This hair is driving me nuts. Stupid hair. Stupid rabbit. Tricks are for kids. Okay. This bloom was inspired by springtime. I poured it on Ostara, or the vernal equinox, a week ahead of Easter. All that good stuff. New life coming back. I'm not generally into pastel colors, but I wanted to add a little bit of hope back into the total drabness that is March and April in Wisconsin. Though as I look outside here in my living room, there are leaves just starting to bud, and that is joy. That is pure joy. So what did I learn from this? When you dye your pillow paint, it's probably better, well, depends on the consistency, because consistency is key to everything. Yeah, I'm sorry, my husband is playing video games downstairs and he sounds like a rhinoceros in heat. Sorry for that. Anyway, pillow paint. If you're going to color it, which you can, most definitely, if it is on the thick side already, you can use inks because they're liquidy. High flow acrylics, you can use that too. And that may thin it out a little bit, but not too much. If it's already on the thin side, use tube paint because that'll keep it on the thicker side. And you want your pillow to be nice and thick so it stretches, provides a nice base for all of your beautiful pigments and colors and all of that sort of jazz. Now I do have a few measles in this piece. That doesn't actually bother me. It came from me mixing the custom violet or lavender pillow paint and immediately using it, so there were a lot of bubbles in it, and they popped, and it's fine. It actually creates nice little violet dots in the end result, which I think kind of gave it a cool vibe. So I'll show it to you dry.
Yeah, this stuff's awesome. Come look at this one.
Wow. Wow.
Isn't that pretty?
That is super pretty.
It's a good color combo, too.
Mm-hmm. Man, the cells.
Yeah, banging.
That stuff really works.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry again for my rhinoceros. There we go. Lovely. So lemon sorbet dry is just, it's cool. It's like gold, but it's not entirely. It's still got a beautiful yellow sheen to it. And it's so pigmented with the mica that it really brings the shine all the way across the surface. It is just a stunner. And the measles I was talking about there, little dots, I like it. Honestly, I think it adds to it. It almost kind of looks like a sparkle or like a glitter. And before I resin this, heck, I may even put a little piece of glitter in those just to really make it pop. I wish you a happy day, and next time, hopefully I won't be so sick so I can sass you a little more. Help me feel better by hitting like and subscribe and sharing this with your favorite paint pouring community. Hope to see you in there. Hope that you have a lot of fun painting and have a beautiful, awesome, highly pigmented day. Saturated with beauty. Yes, that. Au revoir. Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye now. I'm gonna take a nap.